Alright guys, so we got you aboard Steve and Brett's Planet Ham. You guys saw it, the video, the paint job I showed you. Got the PB&Js up on it. Go ahead and plug it in. Alright, not bad. Flew pretty damn good, gotta admit. I'm so used to my apexes now. I just kind of want to fly something different, especially 4S. This thing has them peanut butter and jellies. I'm liking them. They're super smooth, like really smooth. Steven, I hope you like it. You guys see that Vic, huh? I love doing that whole twist backwards and go drive it backwards. This thing does real good, to be honest with you, too. Kind of get a lot of good floaty back time with it. Doesn't drop like a brick, come back down and around. I do it now with that apex with that 9 on it, that Hero 9. Huh. Straight to the ground. But thank you guys for being out here watching this video. See you on the next one. Please like, comment, share. Steven, hope you like it, brother.